Pinasinayaan kahapon ang isang bagong manufacturing facility sa Tanawan City, Batangas na ayon sa Department of Agriculture, magiging tulong sa ekonomiya ng bansa. Tutukan sa report ni Hazel Alviar ng GMA Regional TV, Balitang Southern Tagalog.
Pinangunahan ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ang pagpapasinaya sa bagong manufacturing facility sa Tanawan City, Batangas kahapon April 15. Matapos ito, umikot din siya sa loob ng planta. Magiging malaking tulong daw ito sa ekonomiya hindi lang sa lalawigan kundi sa bansa. Napapanatili rin daw nitong buhay ang tobacco industry ayon kay Department of Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr.
Given the significant decrease in local tobacco production, I understand that the local leaf is being considered for inclusion in the production of smoke-free products, including heated tobacco sticks in the new manufacturing lines. I am confident that our local tobacco leaf will be able to meet this new demand.
Well, I think it's a great news not only for the smokers that we opening that plant, but also for the tobacco growers in Philippines.
Ipinasilip din ang kanilang scale model na state-of-the-art facility. Aabot sa 1.1 hectare ang planta kung saan malaking oportunidad rin daw ito sa local employment. Pinasalamatan ni Laurel ang kumpanya na piniling sa bansa patuloy na mamuhunan sa kabila ng umano'y economic challenges.
Our government has always recognized TMFTC's substantial contribution to the Philippine economy and society, providing employment to about 4,500 Filipinos, ensuring the livelihood of our tobacco farmers with their tobacco leaf purchases, averaging about 1.8 billion pesos annually.
Mula sa GMA Regional TV Balitang Southern Tagalog, Hazel Kawaing Alviar, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.